Our caravan is split yet again into an even smaller group. Now, just Sarah and ourselves as we've set our coordinates on Moab.
When the madness is gone,
How are we feeling?
Hungry.
Oh my god, me too.
Really?
Yes, so bad.
How's your drive been?
Enjoyable.
Good.
But
it's
I'm
such
hungry.
a beautiful drive.
Oh my god.
The whole time I was thinking of your shirt because her shirt matches the landscape, and I was like, Maria needs to pull over and take photos with her shirt in the landscape. I didn't. We ran out of snacks, and so I got really desperate. I have a pickle and cheese. Vegan cheese. Do you want to try?
No, you go first. I want to see your reaction.
You're so great.
We've needed to restock on supplies and groceries for a few days, so we jumped on the opportunity to at the local co-op in Moab.
Girl, look at you with those bags.
Oh my god. The workout of the day.
I just lost the game.
I just lost the game.
How was that shopping experience, guys?
Holy smokes, it was nice, but it was so expensive.
That co-op
It's like
is expensive.
$300.
And I feel like we got a lot.
Yeah.
It was expensive. I was like, it shouldn't be 80 bucks for this little food. But I got a bunch of vegan desserts, and I'm really excited to eat them, so.
And now for a view that most people don't actually ever get to see, right? Putting all the groceries away.
Finding a spot for the groceries, I think it's the hardest.
Arches National Park is surrounded by an abundance of public use lands, and while most of it has been a haven for off-road enthusiasts for a very long time, we thought we should be able to manage to find a spot that would be easy enough to call home for the night.
What do you think?
We may be able to make it in right here, but everything beyond this is going to be pretty impassable. But this is BLM, and we could at least sleep for the night.
The road's generally good. There's just a couple spots where it's pretty, there's big rocks, and so we're debating on whether or not we want to build a ramp and if it's worth it. But I think since we're leaving earlier than sunrise tomorrow, like, we should just tough it out and
think
sleep
so
where
too.
we are. We're kind of blocking the road a little bit, but I don't think anybody's going because this is like a remote 4-wheel drive road.
I hear gnocchis are on a menu.
Good morning. It's 5 a.m. and all of us are very tired.
We've noticed a theme in Utah's parks, truly in almost every park in the park system if we're being honest. You're messing up if you don't get in as early as possible, and even then, it's going to be busy. But the earlier you start, the more elbow room you'll have on your hike. The hike to Delicate Arch is deceiving. Subtle inclines and paths find a way to whittle down your energy, and quickly.
How are you feeling?
I'm sucking wind.
Are you happy though?
I guess. I can't quite tell.
I'm doing great.
But nothing prepares you for just how massive the arch actually is.
You two look like little schoolgirls, like kindergartners,
Sharing lunch.
sharing lunch on the playground.
My mom sent me this bowl of fruit. I can share if you want. Thank you.
You're like, I like
Sharing
when,
is caring.
I like when they're sour, and Sarah looks at you, she goes, I like when they're sweet. What's so funny about it?
That we have blackberry in our teeth. The truth behind the picture.
Water, blood, and rust. All we are will change, form, position, shape. Swallowed by the
What I think we want to do, what I feel like we should do, is find a campsite and just hang out for the rest of the day. Because we woke up for sunrise and we're tired and I kind of want a nap.
Yes. Friends, a little update. We have made it to the spot where we're gonna sleep. We're gonna leave the van here. I took a baby nap. It was well needed. I was getting grumpy and tired. It's hot, but I feel much better. And then we realized we haven't eaten anything since breakfast, actually. And then Sarah was like, you know what? We should totally go to town, get some vegan food. I think that's what we're gonna do. The dogs are coming with us. It's a hot day here in Moab, but I'm feeling grateful to be here with friends, with people that I love, in such a special place. I truly have fallen in love with Utah. And getting food and not having to do dishes. That's always a plus.
I think we found something great. Tell me that you feel.
We got some nachos. This place that Sarah took us to. Have you been here before?
Yeah.
So it's actually 100% plant-based, and it's all with donations. So whatever your heart tells you is what you're supposed to pay for. So today I got some nachos and I'm excited because we haven't eaten. So first, taste test.
So if you're gonna run, then run with me. If you got a drum, I've got your beat. We'll make our own path through whatever comes. I'll be your rock when the going's tough, because there's no love like our love.
Tell everybody why are we not exploring?
I finished a video today. Rose has not been feeling very well. She got really bad allergies. It's super hot, it's super windy, super dusty, and I'm just tired. I didn't sleep well last night, got a headache, so we decided to take a break today. And I think you enjoyed it because you took a very long nap.
Don't get me wrong, like I'm super sad that we didn't get to explore Moab because it's pretty much our last day. And I did want to go on a hike, but this morning I got some workout in, and the wind is just like messing up with my allergies. All the dust, pollen, it was just a lot. I took allergy medicine. I just passed out for like an hour. We took a little break today. Got to enjoy here with the dogs with the doors open because it's too hot to even leave them in the van.
It's very comfy with both doors open.
Yes, it's comfy with the doors open because there's wind. So you cannot feel how hot it is.
It feels like it's like 72 maybe.
Yeah, but it's supposedly like
91.
91. So it's hot. It's very hot. We just drove to downtown Moab to this place called Thai Bella to meet up with Sarah and Maddie because we're gonna have some Thai food. I got a message from someone from Instagram letting us know that it's the best Thai food they have had since Thailand. So I'm excited for food. Let's go. We have wake up to another crazy day here in Moab. Yesterday was super windy, make my allergies terrible. Today, it's just raining. I was supposed to try to wake up early, and the rain just made me fall asleep even longer. And we haven't been in areas that have been raining a lot, so I'm thankful for the rain today.
Yeah, we haven't had rain in a really long time, which is so counterintuitive and out of balance with the way that we always travel. So I'll take a rainy day. Plus, I'm cleaning the windshield right now, which I'm excited about.
Friends, we have made it to the spot that potentially and hopefully will be our spot for the night. Behind us we have the Colorado River, which is very nice. Pretty quiet spot. We're close to the road so we can hear cars, but it's nothing bad. This is a spot that Sarah found in Overlander, so I'm really hoping it works. It looks like it's gonna rain, so we're probably gonna get some work done. I'm gonna see if I can just work in Sarah's van.
I'm working on editing a video right now, but look at the view with all my windows, right?
It's beautiful.
It's crazy.
I love it.
Are you working today too?
Yes.
Today's a work day.
I gotta be honest with you all. Something has got a gastrointestinal dilemma taking place in my innards. It started yesterday and it has only gotten worse. It's just the dogs and I hanging out in the van right now because Maria Jose just can't handle it. And honestly, I don't blame her one bit. Sarah and Maria Jose have teamed up and they have tasked me with making margaritas. So first things first, we've got some Monte Alban. We have a bowl. What do we have that bowl for? Chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's. This stuff is fire. Actually gonna crack a little pink Himalayan in there as well. Chopping board and a lime. We've got just the run-of-the-mill margarita mix. A little fresh lime juice in here.
Cheers, friends. Oh, that's good.
Who's the queen today? You.
Not me.
You.
Oh my god, that's too much ice. No, it's alright. No, it's okay. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Give me a taste test. Cheers.
It's really good.
Good. There's
It's
a
very good.
tiny little bit.
Cheers.
Beers.
What about beers? Cheers.
Guys, something's wrong.
nomadic
Something's wrong with my intestines.
Oh, no.
Like, I swear to God, I probably have like 4 stinky farts a year.
Oh my god,
I
I had
swear
like 4
to God.
stinky farts in the last
Today.
10 minutes. No, I swear, they're like on that schedule right now.
Yeah, my farts today are pretty stinky. Mine did too. Sarah has this great game that I actually recommend you to get in. It's called We're Not Really Strangers. We have been playing it like all week, pretty much. And I think it's a great game to like
Icebreakers.
Yes, and like have conversation, deep conversation, not small talks.
Yeah, go straight to level 3 like Maria and I.
You can dig deeper.
We had one sip of margarita. I'm like, wow. Today we're feeling sassy and hardcore. Number 3 it is.
Wild card. Write down one thing you want to let go of this year, read it out loud, then rip it up together. Both players. You know who would really love this park?
Is that what you're gonna say?
We'll see you all from wonderful Colorado next time.